Welcome to this quick guide on enabling reminders, notifications on Facebook Web for PC with the latest update. If you're looking to stay on top of your events and reminders without missing a beat, you're in the right place. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're in, locate your profile photo at the top right corner of the page and click it. This opens a small menu with quick access to your account settings and privacy options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This expands another menu where you'll find various controls for your account. Choose Settings to dive deeper into your personal preferences and notification options. In the Settings menu, look for Notifications. It's usually listed in the left-hand side panel or within the main options. Depending on the current layout, click Notifications to view all the notification categories you can customize. Now, find the Reminders section. This is where you can manage how Facebook alerts you about upcoming reminders. Under Reminders, you'll see an option labeled Allow Notifications on Facebook. Toggle this on so Facebook can push reminder alerts to you while you're online, and depending on your browser settings, on your desktop as well. With Allow Notifications enabled, you'll start receiving reminders directly through Facebook's notification system. You can further tailor how these reminders appear, whether as banners, alerts, or in-app notices, by revisiting the notification settings and adjusting other related options to fit your preferences. If you ever want to refine this further, you can return to the notification section and explore other categories like events, pages, or groups. This lets you control not just reminders, but all alert types, so you only get what matters to you. That's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you'll never miss an important reminder on Facebook again, thanks to the latest update designed to keep you organized and in the loop. If you found this helpful, share it with a friend who might benefit and drop a comment with any other Facebook tips you'd like to see.